Seth, we're never gonna do this! We're outnumbered! Cover me, I got this!
Goodbye, Zach.
Oh, come on! I was doing so good!
Zach, get up there and go do something. You haven't played that game all day.
Hey, Nathaniel, what are you doing today? I came from my mom kicking me off the Xbox. I was actually enjoying myself for once.
She has a point, though. You have been playing an awful lot.
Yeah, I guess.
You know, the Bible says not to be conformed to the patterns of this world, but to be transformed by the renewing of your mind. I'm worried you're conforming too much to this technology, don't you think?
Yeah, but what else am I supposed to do in this small town?
Have you ever thought about getting involved in church?
Yeah, but I'm no musician or pastor. I'm just some tech freak.
I've got an idea. Drive to the church right quick. Lydia. Hey Andy, Zach, this is my youth pastor Andy.
Hey Zach. Nice to meet you. What are you doing here?
Well, I was talking with Zach here about trying to break his video game addiction, and I thought it would be a great idea for him to volunteer some of his time at the church.
So, what are you good at?
Oh, I don't know. I love working with computers and technology.
Well, I do need somebody to run the computer on Sunday morning if you're interested.
Yeah, that sounds fun.
Awesome. Well, Nathaniel, you want to show me the computer?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Thanks, Nathaniel. I admit, I was too addicted to that game, and it feels good to actually spend my time doing something that has meaning.
Anytime, bro. Anytime.